This video is going to be a follow-up to my previous video on the Fibonacci series. If you haven't watched the previous one, I highly recommend watching it first. I will put the link in the description. So this is going to be a really short video. I'll just expand on the concept we learned in the last video. For a quick recap, the Fibonacci series is a sequence where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. For example, 1 is the sum of 0 and 1, 2 is the sum of 1 and 1, 3 is the sum of 1 and 2. In the Tribonacci series, each number is the sum of the previous three numbers. For example, 44 is the sum of 7, 13 and 24. And we start with 0, 1, 1. While in the Tetranacci series, each number is the sum of the previous four numbers. For example, 15 is the sum of 1, 2, 4 and 8. And we start with 000, 1. So let's implement these Fibonacci expansions in Python. In the last video, we built a code that gives us Fibonacci series depending on how many numbers we want to see. Now, by extending this code, we will implement the Tribonacci and Tetranacci series. In the case of Tribonacci series, we are dealing with three numbers. Instead of x and y, we are also incorporating z and initialize them as 0, 1, 1. Now in the loop, x becomes y becomes z, and z is the sum of the three numbers x, y and z. And there it is. With this slight modification, the Fibonacci series is now going to output the Tribonacci series. If you run it, you see it works perfectly fine. Similarly, in the Tetranacci series, we add another variable, let's say a, and initialize the variable values as 0, 0, 0 and 1. So now x becomes y becomes z becomes a, and a becomes x plus y plus z plus a, the sum of all four numbers. And this pattern goes on. If you run it, you see it correctly gives us that series. I hope you understand the pattern and how to expand Fibonacci series for even more numbers to get a new series out of it. I hope this video helps along with the Fibonacci series video I made earlier. This has been an expansion of the Fibonacci series that I thought would be useful for you to know. And as always, thanks for watching. Row, 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 row.